The following features are included: delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and much more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.